Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these potholders, tissue paper, and 11 by 14 frame from Dollar Tree. I removed the glass. I'll just be using the cardboard from it. I applied Mod Podge to one side, dried that completely, and then I took this tissue paper, which I also got from Dollar Tree, placed that down on the dried Mod Podge, added parchment paper down, and ironed on the tissue paper. It reactivates the Mod Podge and smooths out the tissue paper. I cut off the excess and sanded it down, and then did a layer of Mod Podge on the outside and dried that completely. When it's just about dry, I use some saran wrap just scrunched up and push down any remaining bubbles or wrinkles. And then take this pot holder, which is also from Dollar Tree, cut out the front of it, and use my square to just get a straight line to cut all around there to get it nice and straight. I then use these 1/4-inch square dowels that I get from Amazon, and I hold it on the top of the image and I cut it just a little bit bigger than the width of it. I cut 2 pieces like that, sand off the edges where I had cut them, and I use pruning shears to cut those. I place the dowels I cut on the top and bottom of the image and mark off where I need to cut for the sides. Next, I'm taking Ivory color chalk paint by Waverly, using a sponge to paint the entire frame front and back, and also the 4 dowels that I had cut down. Once those are dry, I take the dowels and place them in the shape of this square and hot glue them together. Next, I place back in my cardboard with the tissue paper into the frame. I take the image that I had cut from the pot holder and put tacky glue all around the edge of that. The tacky glue I also get from Dollar Tree. I take a paintbrush and just smooth out all of that glue. And then take my frame and get that as centered as possible. You can definitely measure, I just eyeballed it. And just smooth that out, pushing down the glue. Apply hot glue all around it and then place that down around the image. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.